Hello, let me talk to you about LinkedIn. This is LinkedIn. It's a platform for professionals. It's a platform for meeting professionals from all over the world, irrespective of whatever niche that you work on. I would not like to bore you with too much theoretical presentations. Let us just head over to it now and check it out. So this is LinkedIn. I will take you home to my profile. Let's use that to demonstrate what LinkedIn is. One of the things that you cannot take away from LinkedIn quickly is the fact that LinkedIn is your online resume. LinkedIn is your online resume. Let me prove that to you. If at any time you go over to Google and search out your name, I'm going to search my name now, Maxwell Uduafeme. When you search it, the first output you are going to get is your LinkedIn profile. So if you are an international professional, you will do yourself a lot of good by setting up an account on LinkedIn. One of the most important things that you will need to do is the fact that you need to have a beautiful headshot. Just like you can see my profile picture, it shouldn't be a picture that presents the whole of your body, just because that will not give enough spotlight on your face. And do well to smile, even if you don't know how to smile often as I am, but just for the purpose of your headshot, make sure that you have an official dress up over there. Next, you will need to prepare a banner. As you can see, this banner I paid $10 to one folk all the way in Bangladesh to prepare this banner for me. Let me talk straight to the point about the skills that you offer up on LinkedIn. Then you should have your name written out in a professional manner. I hold a PhD, as you can see, but I think it is not the best for me to start by saying Dr. Maxwell E. Uduafeme. It should be Maxwell E. Uduafeme, PhD. And I have also got a professional license, the one we call a registered teacher's license in Nigeria. That's why I have coined that RTR, meaning registered teacher in Nigeria. Then you also have what is called the headline. This headline, it only gives you room to impute a few characters. I cannot remember very well now whether you have space to write up to 100 characters, but you can utilize it very well. In my own case, you can see that I'm imputed there, CTE education and research consultant, meaning career and technical education and career consultant. Then I introduce a pipe to bring in another skill, Google and IBM certified data analyst. Next, I have psychometrician, and then author of 20+ journal papers, worked on 80+ data sets, supported 30+ postgraduate research studies. This is a very brief summary, which is called headline, as I mentioned earlier, of the things that I have got going. So anyone who is searching for someone with this particular skill set is likely to be able to, have me in their spotlight. Okay. And over there you can also see that I've got 2 badges. If I touch on it now, you will see that I've got 2 badges. One of the badge is research skills and the other is K-12 education expert. This is as a result of concerted and dedicated, continuous, consistent effort in putting out content regarding research and education. And that is the reason why LinkedIn recognized me with those 2 badges. I work at the National Examinations Council. This is not a secret, and I attended the prestigious Federal University of Technology, Minna, for first degree, second degree, and third degree. I'm not going to hide the fact that I live in Niger State, Niger State, Nigeria. You can all see all of those. My number of followers, right on your screen, and a whole lot of things that you can check out. To optimize your profile, you will have an about section. This should give or provide a more vivid picture, though still a summary of your skills and experiences that you have. I have a few posts that I have pinned. Then these are the contents that I continue to churn out every now and then. If you go down, you see my experience, work experience. You can also come down further to see my educational background. As you can see, after educational background, you have licenses and certifications. For licenses and certifications, you have that I have a certificate issued by IBM in conjunction with Coursera, databases and SQL for data science, and more and more of them, even a verified international academic qualification with World Education Service. So projects that I've worked on, you have all of this. This is what LinkedIn looks like. You can just go over to, when I come to my network, this shows you the list of people who are my potential people I could add to my followership. I can go ahead and just invite this person to connect with me now. This is because this person is a data scientist and data quality advocate. This is another data engineer and data scientist, data analyst. I connect with people. So, and then you should know that LinkedIn gives you 100 of such invites every week. And to build your profile, you will do well to utilize all of them. Now, if I click on this now, you will see the number of guys or girls or both that have accepted my connection request over the past few hours. So I can also check notifications. Notification will give me posts and contents that have been churned out by my followers or my connects on the space, and also gives me a sneak peek of my own post. Earlier today, I made a post regarding how to navigate the pitfalls of predatory journals as a young researcher, and so far so good. It has got 687 impressions, and I included a poll, and 8 persons have voted on that poll, and these are the comments. If you want your content to always do well, it is important that you respond to all the engagements that you get, and also it would be nice if you can tag some folks. Now the guys whose names you can see in the blue color are the people I tagged in this post. And it will be also nice that you include relevant hashtags. You can see mentors are in a hashtag form, scholarly forums and all of that in hashtag form. So this is just a sneak peek of what LinkedIn is. Of course, you have much more than this. It's a space where you can also look for jobs. If I touch on this icon, that briefcase icon, you see the jobs that fit my profile. Right? Like here is one now. Just click on that, and you say freelance writer, SQL education consulting, SOL. Sorry, they're interested in getting someone to work for them as a freelance writer to help them to achieve a few things, and the qualifications are all set out there. I think I'm gonna just apply for this one, and it is telling me that I may be a good fit for this because of the following skills that I have, put up on the space. So if I click on easy apply now, it is very likely that I will begin the process of applying. Here I click next. I already have my CV uploaded here on LinkedIn, and so I'm just gonna pick any one of them that I think is in line with that. But then it asks again, have you completed the following level of education? Bachelor's degree, yes, of course I have. How many years you have in academic writing? I can easily put into 10. How many years of work experience do you have with admissions? I have not been working any admissions, so since I cannot leave it as 0, okay, maybe I can put 0 since I do not have experience with that. And then I am given the opportunity to review my submission. When I click submit, now I have applied for the job. So ladies and gentlemen, I wonder the platform you should be if you are a graduate anywhere in the world and you do not have a profile on LinkedIn. If you have gotten value from this content, please do well to hit the follow button if you found this video on TikTok, or hit the subscribe button if you found it on YouTube. Follow me and let's continue to learn together. Thank you very much. Don't forget that my name is Maxwell Iduafeme. Ciao.